Welcome to our exploration of the Splunk where command. The where command is a powerful tool for post-search filtering that allows you to apply complex conditions, comparisons, and field-based logic to your search results. Unlike initial search filtering, the where command operates after data has been processed, giving you precise control over which events remain in your results. This command is essential for creating sophisticated filters that go beyond basic keyword matching, enabling you to work with mathematical expressions, field comparisons, and advanced logical operations. The where command follows a simple yet powerful structure. It begins with a pipe symbol, followed by the keyword where, and then your predicate expression. The basic syntax is pipe where followed by your condition. For example, pipe where status equals double quote 404 double quote filters for events with a status field containing 404. Another example is pipe where response underscore time is greater than 500, which returns only events where the response time exceeds 500 milliseconds. The where command evaluates your predicate expression and only returns results that evaluate to true, making it an effective post-processing filter. Simple filtering with the where command covers both string and numeric comparisons. For string comparisons, you can use pipe where status equals double quote 200 double quote to find successful requests. For numeric filtering, pipe where response underscore time is greater than 1000 finds slow responses, while pipe where bytes is less than or equal to 5000 identifies smaller data transfers. The where command also excels at field-to-field comparisons. You can use pipe where source underscore IP equals destination underscore IP to find internal traffic, or pipe where bytes underscore in is greater than bytes underscore out to identify download-heavy sessions. These comparisons are impossible with basic search commands. Complex logical expressions combine multiple conditions using or, and not operators. The pipe where status equals double quote 500 double quote, and response underscore time is greater than 1000 finds server errors that are also slow. Using or logic, pipe where action equals double quote block double quote or risk underscore score is greater than 80 identifies either blocked actions or high-risk events. The not operator, as in pipe where not user equals double quote admin double quote, excludes administrator activities. Parentheses help group conditions for precise logic. For example, pipe where open parenthesis status equals double quote 404 double quote or status equals double quote 500 double quote close parenthesis and bytes is greater than 1000 finds error responses that are also large. The where command includes powerful built-in functions for pattern matching and value testing. The like function enables wildcard matching using percent signs. Pipe where like open parenthesis user comma double quote percent admin percent double quote close parenthesis finds users with admin in their name. The match function uses regular expressions, such as pipe where match open parenthesis URL comma double quote caret forward slash API forward slash double quote close parenthesis for API endpoints. The cidrmatch function tests IP addresses against subnets with pipe where cidrmatch open parenthesis double quote 192.168.10 forward slash 24 double quote comma source underscore IP close parenthesis. Value testing functions include isNetNull for pipe where isNetNull open parenthesis transaction underscore Idaho close parenthesis, and isNumber for pipe where isNumber open parenthesis response underscore code close parenthesis. Mathematical operations within the where command enable sophisticated calculations. You can sum fields with pipe where open parenthesis bytes underscore in plus bytes underscore out close parenthesis is greater than 10,000 for total bandwidth analysis. Division operations like pipe where total underscore sales divided by count is greater than 100 calculate averages. Multiplication with pipe where price times quantity is less than 5,000 finds low-value transactions. Conditional expressions add even more power. The if function in pipe where if open parenthesis status equals double quote 200 double quote comma, response underscore time comma 0 close parenthesis, is greater than 500 evaluates response times only for successful requests. The case function provides multiple conditions in pipe where case open parenthesis priority equals double quote high double quote comma 1 comma 0 close parenthesis equals 1 for priority-based filtering. Wildcard and pattern matching capabilities make the where command extremely flexible for text analysis. The like function supports %sign wildcards for multiple character matching. Pipe where like open parenthesis user underscore agent comma double quote %Mozilla double quote close parenthesis finds browsers containing Mozilla. File extension filtering uses pipe where like open parenthesis file name comma double quote PDF double quote close parenthesis. Path matching with pipe where like open parenthesis path comma double quote / API / double quote close parenthesis identifies API calls. Regular expression matching through the match function provides precise pattern control. Pipe where match open parenthesis host comma double quote caret web bracket 0 through 9 close bracket plus double quote close parenthesis finds web servers with numeric suffixes. Email domain filtering uses pipe where match open parenthesis email comma double quote at company / com $ double quote close parenthesis. Multiple field comparisons showcase the where command's ability to analyze relationships between different data elements. Complex field relationships combine multiple conditions effectively. Pipe where source underscore IP not equals destination underscore IP and bytes underscore in is greater than bytes underscore out identifies external download traffic. Performance monitoring uses pipe where success underscore rate is less than threshold or error underscore count is greater than 10. Range comparisons create bounded filters for continuous values. Pipe where response underscore time is greater than 100 and response underscore time is less than 5000 defines an acceptable performance window. Time-based filtering with pipe where timestamp is greater than or equal to earliest and timestamp is less than or equal to latest creates temporal boundaries. These multi-field comparisons enable sophisticated analysis that goes far beyond simple keyword searches. Performance optimization with the where command requires understanding best practices and common pitfalls. The first best practice is to use early filtering before the where command whenever possible, reducing the dataset size before complex processing. Apply the where command after field extraction when practical, as this ensures fields are available for comparison. Combining conditions with an and or operators in a single where statement is more efficient than multiple separate where commands. Common pitfalls to avoid include using complex regular expression patterns on large datasets, which can significantly slow performance. Never use the where command for initial data filtering, as search time filters are much more efficient for that purpose. Instead, use the where command for its intended purpose of post-processing refinement and complex logical analysis. Let's summarize the key capabilities that make the where command indispensable for Splunk analytics. The where command excels at post-search filtering with complex conditions that go beyond basic text matching. Field comparisons and mathematical operations enable sophisticated data analysis and relationship discovery. Built-in functions for pattern matching, including like match and cidrmatch, provide powerful text and network analysis capabilities. Complex logical expressions using and, or, and not operators, combined with parentheses for grouping, create precise filtering logic. Performance considerations and best practices ensure your searches remain efficient while leveraging the full power of post-processing filters. The where command transforms the where clause into a powerful post-processing tool for advanced Splunk analytics, enabling you to extract meaningful insights from your data through sophisticated filtering and analysis techniques. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.